All right, cool, bro. Thanks for having us out today. What do you think we're gonna go get into?
Well, we're gonna start the day off by going net some live bait out along the beach, and then we're gonna sight fish for tarpon and permit.
Cool, man. I look forward to it. It's gonna be a good day.
Let's go get tight.
Maybe we will run, I think we could walk, and we will find our way to the sun. There will decide for each other what is better. What is better? What is better? What is better?
Come on, sir. Watch that bobber.
You
gotta stare at it.
It's like moving a lot. Is that me?
Oh, she's on.
Let him run, let him run, let him run. Hey, reel up everything. Everything up. Like line. Everything up, guys. Alright, reel up, guys. No. Yeah, we gotta be quicker, guys. Way too slow.
I guess we're gonna wrap it up here. Pull anchor and head. I guess what are we doing, Matt? Running about what, 8-9 miles?
Now we're gonna run about 5 miles to a pass. Go snook fishing down there.
What do we do? Just drop down on the bottom, or are we fishing the banks?
We're gonna be sight casting.
Sight casting on the beach?
Yeah, we
Heck
have a good outgoing tide right now. Fighting real well.
Cool. Perfect. Let's get on it.
Go.
There's 4 snook right up here by the sand, and then like another dozen right here, guys. So don't cast on top of them, cast in front of them. Yeah, there's like 15 fish right there. That's all snook. Good cast. Yep. Oh, no, he just got super nervous. See him circling back on it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Nice.
Got it.
That's sight fishing right there.
Showing us how it's done right there.
Hook right in the corner of the mouth, right where you like them. Nice release. Owner hook, number 1.
All we were doing there was just slowly cruising down this beach, and there's pods of snook just pocketed up in little areas. Tossed this little fish up in there, pulled it across the little pod of them, and he just hammered it. That's a nice one, yeah. Little fatty.
Damn, son, that's a good one.
Take your time.
Don't pull them out too hard. Come on back
right
here.
here. Good, walking on back.
You said hello, I need the echo.
Wow.
Look at that.
Don't let it go.
All right, caught a nice, probably 29-inch snook. Nice beach snook here with Sophia on the rod. She did a great job. We're gonna let him live for another day. Gonna give him a kiss though.
There he goes.
Slap side. come up here along this point, throw some crabs at the permit. See if we can get hooked up.
Silhouette as the sun goes, how your body silence my soul.
Reel! Tip up, tip up.
Shut up, no.
Okay, let him run. We're tight. Tarpon on. Reel up, guys. Reel up, guys.
You got it, so
Hold it. Just let him run.
Want me to reel this one in?
Yeah. Bow to him when he jumps. Woo! Let him run. Let him run.
We're fighting about a, I don't know, I'd say 80-pound tarpon right here. We were actually coming down this flat looking for
I
permit
see him.
and didn't see any. Caught a little small snook in here. We decided to do a nice little drift just out the tide line.
That's all right. You're in the third inning now. Which side, Scotty? Which side, Scotty?
You're alright. He's dead in front of our boat.
Right in front, like right here. Like right here.
Oh no, he doesn't. He's going right under the turning.
When I close my eyes at night, I can see you. Let's start it still see
Good thing.
shapes and patterns, colors and outlines of you I see.
What's that?
That was a good save.
Nice save.
Thank you.
That was on.
A little bit.
Like once we get them close, I'm gonna start putting some heat on them. Back up.
Keep reeling out.
Reel. Oh, there you go. Popped off. Nice. Great job. Yep. Awesome job. Yeah, he caught like a 100-pound tarpon on a Shimano 4000 Stratic 30-pound leader. Fought it for about 40 minutes, grabbed the leader 5 times, and heck of a fish for light tackle. Good job.
That's up.